Hello friends, welcome in my video classroom. Friends, today I teach dimension equation. Its definition is an equation obtained by equating a physical quantity with its dimensional formula is called dimension equation of the physical quantity. Friends, in SI system now we have 7 physically quantities. Okay? First, mass. So its first word is m. Length, second. Its first word is L. And time, T. So friends, all another physically quantity we can represent in the form of M, L, T. Okay? Suppose I give an example. The dimension formula of mass is we can write down, look here, M1 L0 T0, because mass is a measure in mass, not a length and time, so its power is already 0. Same way, the dimension formula of length, m raised to 0, L raised to 1, T raised to 0. Here mass and time both are 0 because length is always measured in meter. Okay? So here we can write down L raised to 1. Same way, dimension formula of time is M0, L0, T raised to 1. Here M and L0 because here time is measured in only time, not in mass and length. So its power is 0. So friends, this is the dimension formula. This dimension formula of mass, this is for length and this for time. And look here, power of this formula means dimension. It is called dimension. Power or exponent to which base quantity is raised to its called dimension of that quantity. Means here m raised to 1 is a dimension of mass. Here L1, T1, okay, and so on. Friends, so many physically quantity are available. So now we find its dimension formula. Friends, here so many physically quantities are available. Its formula we can write and now solve dimension formula. So first physically quantity is area. Friends, formula of area is equal to length into breadth. Okay? So first of all, what is the dimension formula of length? Length, unit of length is meter and unit of breadth is also meter. So its dimension formula M0, L1, T0. This is dimension formula for length. And same way, dimension formula for breadth M0, L1, T0. Okay? Look here, base are same. So power are added. Means m raised to 0 plus 0 means 0. L raised to 1 plus 1 means 2. And T raised to 0 plus 0 means 0. Okay? So here M0, L2, L raised to 2, T raised to 0 is the dimension formula for area. Okay? So second physically quantity is volume. Friends, its formula is length into breadth into height. Okay? And its dimension formula of length is M0, L1, T0. For breadth, same M0, L1, T0. and for height m0, L1, T0. Okay, so base are same, so its power are added, means m raised to 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0. L raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 means L raised to 3. T raised to 0 plus 0 plus 0 means T raised to 0. So m raised to 0, L raised to 3, T raised to 0 is a dimension formula for the volume. Okay. Next, physically quantity is a mass. It has no any formula. Its dimension formula m1, L0, T0. Because mass is always count in mass. Time, it has no any formula. So m0, L0, T raised to 1. Okay. Periodic time, unit of periodic time is second. So its dimension formula is same, m0, L0, T raised to 1. Okay. But next physically quantity is frequency, and its formula is a 1 upon periodic time means 1 upon dimension formula periodic time is a m0, L0, T raised to 1. Okay, so this term is moved. So look here, m raised to 0, L raised to 0, but T raised to here plus, but it is moved in upward side. So here we get T raised to minus 1. Okay. Next, distance and path length. Unit of distance and path length is a meter. It has no any formula, but its dimension formula is a m0, L1, T raised to 0. Okay, velocity and speed. Its formula is a distance upon time. Okay, so distance have means its dimension formula m0, L1, T0, and dimension formula time m0, L0, T1 means, look here, m raised to 0 minus 0, L raised to 1 minus 0, T raised to 0 minus 1 means m raised to 0, L raised to 1, T raised to minus 1. The dimension formula of velocity and speed. Next physical quantity is acceleration. Its formula is velocity upon time. Otherwise change in velocity upon change in time. So now we have dimension formula of velocity is a m0, L1, T minus 1, and time means m0, L0, T1. So now we solve here. M raised to 0 minus 0, 0. L raised to 1 minus 0 means 1. And T raised to minus 1 means minus 2. Okay, friends? Friends, next physically quantity is density. And formula of density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay. So first of all, now we can write down dimension formula of mass m1, L0, T0. And dimension formula for volume is m0, L3, T0. Means m raised to 1 minus 0 means 1. L raised to 0 minus 3 means L raised to minus 3. And T raised to 0 minus 0 means 0. Next, physically quantity is force. Its formula is mass into acceleration. Okay, so dimension formula of mass is a m1 l0 t0, and dimension formula for acceleration is m0 l1 t raised to minus 2. So m raised to 0, l raised to 0 plus 1 means 1, and l t raised to 0 minus 2 means minus 2 is a dimension formula for the force. Next, impulse of force. Friends, its formula is a force into time. Okay, dimension formula for the force is a, we prove here, m0 l1 t minus 2, and dimension formula for time is a m0 l0 t1. So dimension formula for the impulse of force is a m raised to 0, l raised to 1, and t raised to minus 1. Okay, minus 2, and here t raised to 1. So minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. Okay, next physical quantity is a work. Okay, so work is equal to force into displacement. So dimension formula for the force is a m0 l1 t minus 2, and dimension formula for the displacement is a m0 l1 t0, means m raised to 0, l raised to 1 plus 1, l raised to 2, t raised to minus 2. Okay. Next, kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy. Friends, all type of energy, its dimension formula is the same as work. Okay, but first of all, I prove for kinetic energy. Its formula is a 1 by 2 mv square, mass into volume square, or velocity square. So here 1 by 2 is a constant. So dimension formula for the mass is a m1 l0 t0. Okay, and velocity m0 l1 t minus 1 whole square. Here m1 l0 t0. Okay, now we take multiply. 0 into 2 means m raised to 0. 1 into 2 means 2. T raised to minus 1 cross 2 means minus 2. Here m raised to 1 plus 0 means 1. L raised to 2 and t raised to minus 2. Okay. So here, friends, here m raised to 1. Here also m raised to 1. Friends, here some mistake. Here m raised to 1 and m raised to 1. Okay. So the dimension formula of the kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy is a m1 l2 t raised to minus 2, means dimension formula for the work and dimension formula of kinetic energy, potential energy, and mechanical energy are same. Okay, so here dimension formula for the kinetic energy is a m1 l2 t raised to minus 2. Friends, here dimension formula for the mass is a mass into acceleration, means m raised to 1. Here, okay. Next, dimension formula for the power. Okay, friends, power is equal to energy upon time. means here means work upon time. So dimension formula for work is equal to m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by time m0 L0 T work. Okay, so m1 L2 T raised to minus 3 is a dimension formula for the power. Next physical quantity is the pressure, otherwise stress. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Okay, so dimension formula for force is equal to m1 L1 T minus 2 upon area means m0 L2 T raised to 0. Okay, so now we solve it. M raised to 1, L raised to 1 minus 2 means minus 1, T raised to minus 2. Okay, momentum. Next physical quantities. Momentum is a now we have mass into velocity. So dimension formula for mass is equal to m1 L0 T0 and for velocity m0 L1 T minus 1. Okay, so dimension formula for momentum is a m1 L1 T minus 1. Okay, next torque, otherwise momentum of force. Its formula is a force into distance. So friends, formula for dimension formula for force is equal to, now we have m1 L1 T minus 2 and distance m0 L1 T0. So dimension formula for the torque is a m1 L raised to 2 and T raised to minus 2.